This is the Champion RK-4C 3/4 repair kit for the 466 brass automatic anti-siphon valves. Now, included in the kit is going to have this little paper or cardboard tag. On the back, you're going to have that picture breakdown of the valve, as well as the repair parts and the order and where they go. So in the kit, we have our float that has the rubber seal right on the bottom end of the plastic stem. And then we've got our red fiber gasket. And then our rubber O-ring or gasket. Now, starting with a couple dimensions, we'll start with the float, get a total height as close as I can. It's going to be right at about an inch, and looks to be like right at an inch and a half, maybe just shy. And we can also do an outer diameter here across the bottom. It's going to be right at about an inch and an eighth. And then our rubber sealing gasket, going to be right at about an inch and a quarter on outer diameter, and then inner diameter coming down right over just an inch and 2/8. And last but not least, we have our red fiber gasket. Outer diameter sitting right at about an inch and a half, with an inner diameter right at an inch and a quarter. And once again, this is the Champion RK-4C 3/4 inch anti-siphon valve repair kit.